I hope you all are doing great, staying positive and spreading positivity all around you. So, my today's video is about how to focus on your goals, or you can say how to discover your mission or your dreams. Now, let's discuss one small point. A person who has firm goals is way ahead of a person who has none, right? So, as everybody says, that setting goals or writing down your targets or writing down your goals to pen down it, it's really very important. Why do everybody say like that? So the reason behind is setting goals is the starting point from which our lives construction begins. Now, what is youth? Youth is a struggle to develop and shape oneself, an ongoing challenge to train oneself spiritually, intellectually, and physically. Right? So now the question comes that what if I don't know exactly what my dreams are or how to achieve them? Right? So your dream can be anything, even if it's vague right now. I'll just say one thing. Try to dream impossible. जो आपको अभी लग ही नहीं रहा ना कि आपको जैसे कुछ सपना आया कि आपने फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास फरारी आ गई या लैम्बोर्गिनी आ गई या कुछ भी, आप एक मतलब बंगलों में शिफ्ट हो गए या XYZ कुछ भी, ठीक है. सो फिर आप सोचते हो कि काश ये सच होता. सो ड्रीम इम्पॉसिबल, मैं ये कहूँगी ड्रीम इम्पॉसिबल. Vague dreams be low because it makes you happy, right? Everything can be turned into possible because impossible, the word impossible itself says I am possible. So dream impossible, right? So like अभी जैसे मैंने बोला, even if it's a vague dream, right? It can be a small thing. Don't think about whether it's something you can realize or not, right? So the very first step is to envision it, right? Once you have made up your mind, have the courage to, take the first step towards realizing it. So सबसे पहला पॉइंट क्या आया? Have a vague dream or an impossible dream, right? So second point आया envision का. So third point आया कि have the courage to take, to realize. Third step आया realizing का, right? So once you do so, the way forward will begin to reveal itself. Just keep pressing straight ahead. पीछे को नहीं मुड़ना, आपने पीछे को नहीं देखना, बैक स्टेप नहीं होना, right? So there will be times when you have doubts and second thoughts, right? Negative thoughts भी आएंगे, doubts आएंगे, right? So आपको बैक स्टेप नहीं लेना. You have to keep moving forward, right? So there will be time when you have second thoughts and times when you hit a wall, right? All these things, just keep one thing in your mind, that all these things are proof that you are growing, right? When you overcome the obstacle of your present limitations, new horizons will open up before you. That is why it's important to keep challenging yourself and to persevere. Right? So perseverance is really very important. Right? I want to say one thing to you all, that whenever you are off to sleep or whenever you wake up, just pray that I should be able to accomplish my mission. Why? Because prayer is the source of victory. When earnest prayer and arduous effort combine, dreams begin to come true. And there's a very great saying by a great Buddhist that discovering our goals and dreams begins with the first step of deciding to find them. From there, we proceed step by step in steady increments through daily efforts. Right? So, that's all in today's video. I hope you all liked it, and don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to Unbottle Happiness. Give it a thumbs up and do share it with your family and your friends. Don't forget to spread positivity all around you. Thank you so much for taking out your precious time and watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you. Bye-bye and take care. Keep smiling. Stay positive. Bye-bye.